Hi friends, happy Wednesday and welcome to week 2 of our online learning. Today we're going to make a graph from some things that you can find in your house. Now I'm using fruits and vegetables, but you don't have to use fruits and vegetables. You could use pencils, pens, markers. You could use Pokemon cards, Matchbox cars, and what's another thing? Maybe Lego pieces. So just find 3 or 4 different types of items, count them up, and then you're going to create a bar graph. So the first thing I need to do is count and see how many items I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas, and I have 3 apples. I have 1 avocado, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tomatoes. So I know my graph has to range from 1 all the way up to 8. So I might do a 0 to 10 graph, so then that way I can see the different size of the bars. So I'm going to create a line down here, a line along the side, and I'm going to number 1 to 10. Starting with 1 at the bottom and then doing my increments all the way up until I get to 10. Okay, and then I'm going to label my fruit. So then you can either draw a picture or you can use the actual name itself. So the first one's going to be banana. So I'm going to write in the word banana. And then my second one is going to be apple. My third one is going to be avocado. And my fourth one, tomato. Now I have to draw my bars in to represent how many of each item that I have. Now I'm going to use colors to kind of show the different colors of the vegetable or fruit. So bananas are yellow, so my bar for bananas is going to be yellow, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas. So I'm going to come up here to the 4, and I'm going to draw my line across, and then create a bar to show that I have 4 bananas. My next one, apples. Apples are all different colors, but I'm going to choose red, and I have 3 apples, so I'm going to find my 3. And I'm going to trace my pencil over to the side or my marker, come up to the 3, and color in my bar. And then my next one is avocado. They are green, and I had 1. So again, I'm going to come to my 1, find and draw my bar for avocado. And tomato, I had 2, 4, 6, 8. Tomatoes are red, but I made my apples red, so I'm going to make the tomatoes more of a pink color. And I had 8, so I'm going to come up here to my 8, draw my bar. And if I wanted to get really technical, I could draw my lines in. Being kind of sloppy here, but if I wanted to be really technical, I could draw my line from the 1, go straight across, the 2, straight across, 3, straight across, and then that way it's a little bit easier to read your bar graph. So you can create a bar graph, but I am missing something. I do need a title for my graph. So these are going to be fruits and vegetables. Remember to capitalize. Your title, make sure that you underline it, and then I have all of the parts of my bar graph. Now, today, I do know a lot of my friends in my class like to make fortune tellers, so I have attached a link of how to make fortune tellers. It's in my playlist. You can use this for your fast facts. You can use this if you finish reading one of your books that I've sent home with you, and you could do character setting, problem solution. You could also do lots of different things for math. and reading as well as spelling. So don't forget that you can put whatever words on the outside and you spell them. So if someone chose the word math on the outside here, I would spell M-A-T-H, and then they pick a number, pick the number 2. So then we go 1, 2. Then on the second time when they pick that number, say the number 6, you flip it over and you read the question on the inside, which says, say your 4s facts. So then I would say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. So then you can say your fast facts, or again, you can relate it to ELA, science, health, anything that you want to practice with, okay? So I will see you again tomorrow and have a great day. Bye.